exciting announcement about the bow. I started working together with William on the intraday workshop and with Bruce on the swing workshop. Those are looking very good, guys. This is going to be kind of like a boot camp for you if you want to attend. And by the way, for those that are going to just buy the recording, let's say of day one, we're going to have this boot camp at home where we're going to give you all of the assignment slides, solution slides, feedback slides, and it's going to be around 8 action sequences per workshop. So altogether, you will receive 16 action sequences that you will have to solve. I mean, I just can't wait for that. And we were going with William and Bruce conceptually for each session. We're going to go through the action sequences where you will have to identify the preconditions for certain trades. Some of them are going to be trending trades. Some of them are going to be counter trending trades. You have to solve that. Selection in terms of like what is the best, let's say, spring by the character and by the background and by what's going on there. And then you will have to decide that. Then differences between, let's say, reaccumulation and its distribution, and specifically upthrust and breakouts. And then with Bruce, we're kind of going in maybe the same direction, but slightly different, because there will be some P&F charts. There will be also selection charts, so some problems, action sequences on selection. There's going to be all of this difference to the counter and trending trades, which are swing trades. There's going to be a ton of the continuation swing trades with a lot of momentum, where the trend is established, where the change of behavior has happened and the backup has happened. And you just kind of like need to time your entry and stay in those very high momentum stocks. I'm just extremely excited, Bruce, just for that day. There is so much value here for 600. We should probably just like, you know, check 3,000 for something like this. I don't know. Just 2 workshops with such high experts, and the content is just fantastic.
I have such great respect for you and William, and I'm going to be one of the fans sitting in the audience for that.
Thank you, Bruce.
Yeah, and then of course swing trading. I love the whole concept of swing trading. What we have put together so far for swing trading, I think, is pretty cool.
Yeah. Also, I want to mention on day 2, we had an opportunity to get together with Bruce and Sarah Pruden, Hank Pruden's wife, and we actually filmed for like 3 hours. So we have so much material for the documentary now about Hank. I am extremely excited just to see what the final product is going to be. We're going to premiere that at Golden Gate University in San Francisco at the Best of Wyckoff conference. Sarah is going to be there. It's an opportunity for the photo shoot a little bit together. Hank has such a permanent seat in the lineage of the best Wyckoffans that we've had in the last 130 years or so. And we tell the story through our eyes, through the moments that we had with him, through emotions that we still carry with us. We give tribute to the great man and to the greatest teacher that we've met. And we kind of want to pull you in into that emotional connection with him through this documentary. So, Bruce, I can't wait to see that. And then on day 2, we'll have the whole team. So it's also going to be very exciting just to see all of the faces, hear their voices. We're going to have this wonderful speed read charting. The competition a little bit will make it a little bit competitive between Bruce, William, Alessio, and myself. We'll have the Q&A panel for the whole team. So it's going to be a very, very interesting and fully packed.
I'm going to contribute a book for the prizes.
Okay, yeah. Here we go.
Yeah,
with
you know, I get
probably Bruce's signature and some wishes.
It's a book very hard to get. It's collectible and never been opened.